What's up guys, we're working on this thing again, a 2011 Chrysler 300C. So we're replacing the driver's side outer tie rod and we're just gonna go and do it. I'll go through the tools and stuff as we go. Okay, so here's our part. For any of that, while the car is on the ground, let's mark out the position, right? See this ride height over here? We gotta kind of replicate that. This upper control arm lines up with this doodad over here, I would say. This plastic piece. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna take the tire off and it's gonna sag, right? So before we bolt on the new outer tie rod end, we're gonna make sure that we use another jack, a second jack, and then we will lift back to this original position, which is close to there, and that's gonna help our alignment guy. It's just gonna, you know, fit a lot better. Wow, would you look at that? A correct part from the parts store. Amazing. Let's heat this baby up. Go. Just warm it up like, ow. There you go, see? Just a little bit of looseness. Look at that. That's the easiness I'm talking about. We're gonna keep that there. That nut right there as a marker to make it not move. Let's get some vice grips. Stay like that. Okay. So we got our nut here, 22. Oh, even bigger. So we used an adjustable wrench. It's bigger. Adjustable wrench is fine. This one right here is 21. So we're gonna do this for a couple minutes, wait for the compressor to complete some, you know, filling up. Get that tank nice and ready. And by that time, should be good to go. Ready? Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Don't touch that bolt though. Woo! Hot boys. Fork boys. Good thing we picked that up. We're gonna wedge it in between this guy right there. See that? That's what we're gonna do. And we're gonna hammer it. Sledgehammer. I thought it was loose already. Oh, okay, it's loose. Okay, back to the position. Kind of keep it there. Okay. Now we want to hold this position so it's close enough to where it was. All right. Spin that out. Great. Okay. Remember, keep that position. Okay, part numbers over here. That's the one. MEVOTECH. Okay. Here we are. Here's our brand spanking new one. Okay. Let's rush this out. All right, better view here. Throw this back on. Also, having vice grips allows you to hold it in place while you figure this out. So now, also too, the position when you're screwing it in, it'll most likely, when you hold that nut in place, be in the correct position to put it back in the hole where it came from. Look at that small little gap. And then I'm gonna bring it in. Yeah. Just keep it there. Okay. Looks like we need to adjust this a bit. There we go. Too bad these aren't, you know, greasable, but whatever. I don't care at this point. Just get this thing on the road. Holy. Okay. Place your nut over here. Go ahead. Hopefully this nut is also a 21. We are jacking the suspension up to as close to original position while it's sitting on the floor. Either the rotor or this bottom control arm bolt. Okay, we're gonna use a block of wood, maybe two. All right, see over here, if you can see that, it is now aligned to this marker here, which is this plastic doohickey. It's close enough. It's way back, like, so over here, now the control outer tie rod end is on the natural sitting position. So now we tighten it down, because if we didn't, it'd be tightened out of alignment, kind of thing, right? So, that being said, let's go ahead and tighten up our bolts now. Now this should still be loose. There you go, see? Now tighten that up. 22 over here. Yeah, go ahead and just tighten her up. The torque spec is 61 or 62 pounds. Now, 61 or 62 pounds, foot-pounds. Look at that. All right, perfect. There you go, buddy. Good. I like that. And then, right here, right there, tighten your bolt up. See how it's nice and close? All right, you don't need this anymore as a marker. Maybe to hold it, but. All right. Position of the body. Okay, double check your work. Okay, we're good. I like it. Here's our end result. Here we are. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the new tire on. Got our wheel back on. Drop it and then torque it to 110 foot-pounds. Holy. Go for a test drive. First, what we're gonna look for is, especially that we've done the outer tie rod end, is how much the steering's off, right? Or if it's pretty close, or if it drags us to the left or the right. Just kind of good to know. We are going to do an alignment when we get new tires, which is soon. So I'm not generally too worried, but it's good practice just to give it a test drive and learn how it all reacts. But also, to show you guys that the repair is good and there's no clunking or whatnot. Because if I didn't do it right, then technically it wouldn't be able to drive properly. So, test drive. All right. Okay. All right. Nice, I like it. No clunking. Brakes working good. Look, okay. See that? That's the difference of the half a turn, right? We got it close. It's pulling to the left a bit, but you know what? I don't mind. Brakes are good to me. Yeah, that's all right. Brakes are good. It's not pulling when I'm braking. Not bad. Oh, that's good. That's good. All right. Wind it back. Brakes good. All right, guys, so that is how we change the driver's side outer tie rod end on a 2011 Chrysler 300C all-wheel drive. Now, there is a difference between all-wheel drive and rear-wheel drive, so double check your numbers. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps, and I'll catch you guys later.